Today we are going to find boiled corn, but not only find, we are going to give it for free for the people, random people who just driving by. 3 shops here, and we are going to support these shop owners as they are innocent people. So that is what we are going to do today. The boys are cleaning things. So we are officially going to give these foods for free. Thank you. Dancer. Thank you. Kalian. Dia. We changed the place, however, because that place, we are not going to reveal it, but this place seems good. No. Baderugo. What did you come? Down the water call name? Dancer. Enjoy. Hello. Adara Kajida. Jaya. Nice. Alle. Badi rokkana. Oh, malakada end. He's talking to a girlfriend. Badi rokkamo. He's happy. He's asking, is it for free? Of course, definitely it's for free. He's enjoying it. So he needs to give more to his family. I'm really happy. What did you come?
Thank you.
Get the come on there? Oh, Target. Me aye isla navettuane isla kaavane this second time tanga denu you know, this is his second time. We catch him on the way to there, and now we catch him to, I don't know where he goes, maybe home. Let's go. Badi go.
Thank you.
Dekha idu?
Hadi.
Yeah. Hadi. Trial pass. Kamu balik dulu kali. Nikah.
Ikut dengan visi.
Mega, awak tahu tangkan. Tahu aja deh, tahu aja deh. Mega kolak kau ni. Hari. Balik dulu kali. Dekat deh. Dekat deh. Balik dulu kamu. Gak ada kaman. Dekat kat itu. Tahu denda? Tahu denda itu? Pahak tina වැඩිද?
බඩගින්න හිටියේ.
ඒක තමයි. පහක් tina දෙන්නද? We finished. So that's how we finish ours, maybe third support, and we are going to do something more also. We are not going to stop here, but I need your support. I need your support. Please subscribe the channel. That's the only support we needed and our boys needed. Yes, we will do it, and another episode we will see you on the other side. See ya.